Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Westwood Lakes, local and long distance movers near me. Local movers in Westwood Lakes provide various services to suit your needs. With the aid of our skilled team, Westwood Lakes local movers can help manage all parts of your move, from packing and loading to transporting and unloading. We have the skills and equipment required to transfer furniture and delicate things. If storage is required, they might also be able to assist. Moving may be an exciting and intimidating experience, particularly for extended drives to or from Westwood Lakes. Whether moving locally or overseas, leaving the city requires several issues. A long-distance move requires meticulous planning and organization, unlike a local move, which may be completed quickly. It requires meticulous planning to relocate over large distances, including choosing the best mover and organizing the packing and delivery of your goods. The distance of the needs to be transferred may also affect the cost because we base our estimate on the object's distance and weight. When organizing your move, you should also account for unforeseen delays like traffic jams or severe weather. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westwood Lakes moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.